What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and installing the Ring Spotlight Cam. As always, subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so we got the Ring Spotlight Cam. Also, we got the solar panel. This combined it is going to be a beast of a camera. I don't think I've seen anybody doing this yet. Maybe Nest probably did something like this, but I'm using all Ring products. I have a Ring doorbell and I have the Ring security system. This is going to be another addition to our Ring ecosystem. Right off the back, I like it because it's battery operated and it's solar powered. So I mean, you really never have to worry about plugs, no crazy long extension cords, drilling in the walls looking for the conduit. I gotta say, Ring is winning. I mean, I like Nest. I installed a couple Nest cameras before. They're okay, but I just feel like Ring got the better ecosystem, especially when you throw in the alarm system and you throw in actual cameras and the doorbell. I think Ring is actually doing their thing. So right off the bat, what you get in the box, we're going to start unboxing the Spotlight Cam. As always, you get the crazy instructions, all the stickers, all the tags, all the mess stuff. This is the setup barcode as well. You get, I guess you just scan this and this will take you right to your camera. As I said before, you do get a double battery pack, which is amazing because 2 batteries is always better than 1. But if you're going solar, I'm guessing you would probably just need 1 battery, but I think I'm gonna add a second battery to it just for backup. So this thing is also out the box. It is plastic, but it feels a little durable. On the back, this is the mounting security bracket. Hopefully this is secure. Also on the bottom here, you get the actual light. That's going to be the LED light or the motion sensor. Maybe it's the motion sensor. I think that's the motion sensor. On the side of the camera is actually going to be the LED bright lights. We're going to also be testing that at the end. Yeah, so far this is actual nice coming out the box. It looks really nice in the all white. We thought about getting the black, but I think the all white is going to be the nicer one, because I just feel like the black is going to fade here in Arizona. So other than that, you get the installation kit, you get the battery. Like I said, this camera holds 2 batteries, so I would go with the second battery, just for backup. You know, one goes bad, you got the other one, especially if you're using this for the solar. You get the mounting kit. I think I'm gonna change this mounting kit out after seeing it and using it, just because we need something with a longer neck on it, and that base is just way too close. So you get the anchors. If you're going in stucco, use the anchors. If you're going in concrete, use the anchors. If you're going in wood, you know what, you're good to go. So lastly, you get the charging kit. If you're not going to be using the solar panel, make sure you charge the battery. So next, we're going to be unboxing the solar panel. This thing is pretty cool, I gotta say. When I seen this, I hesitated at first because I was like, I'll start to read the comments, and I seen that there was a couple comments about people stating that the solar panel wasn't charging. But after testing it out, we get a lot of direct sun here in Arizona. So if you're in Arizona or you're in a state where you get a lot of direct sun, this is going to be for you. If you live in a place where you get mostly winter months, maybe not. Maybe you should do something different. I gotta say, I like the idea of going solar with these cameras. This is definitely gonna make things a little bit easier. You can get them in easier spots. Only downside is making sure you get a strong Wi-Fi connection wherever you put it. They do make extenders. So the next big thing we're going to be doing is installing this camera. I would say Ring pride their stuff off. Almost anybody can install their products. They make it super easy for the customer. There's no crazy wiring. I would say the toughest one that I had would be maybe the doorbell. If you had a wired doorbell system, that was a little crazy. But if your system is already in place, if you already have an existing doorbell, it's super easy to install the doorbell as well. Make sure you guys go watch that video as well. We do have that video here on the channel. So I would say this thing took me maybe 20 minutes to install. from start to finish. That's also installing the app and getting the camera connected. Everything was super easy. I don't think we had any problems with getting this thing installed. So pretty sure any one of you guys can do this. If you can get up on the ladder, go for it. If you can't, have somebody install this thing for you. It's not going to take long at all. Ring actually have a couple different features, cool ones at that. The two-way talking I always love, because I like to listen what's going on around in my surroundings versus not hearing anything at all. But the best feature I think they have so far on here is the motion lights and the security siren. These lights are super bright. I mean, it's crazy amazing how they can make the LEDs lights so bright. I mean, this thing is almost blinding bright. But yeah, that's it for the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're trying to still get to those 1,000 subscribers. Also hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks again for watching.